Think rattlesnakes are just scary? Think again, these reptiles are full of surprises. Rattlesnakes aren't just famous for their rattling tails. They have special pits on their faces that sense heat almost like built-in night vision goggles. And get this, they don't chase down prey. Rattlesnakes wait super still and strike in the blink of an eye. Their rattle is actually made of dry, hollow segments on their tail. Every time they shed their skin, they add a new segment, like collecting badges. Rattlesnakes can live more than 20 years and they usually want nothing to do with people. In fact, their rattle is a warning. Stay back. So next time you hear that famous buzz, remember, these snakes are more than meets the eye. They're nature's silent hunters packed with wild secrets.